how to do a Q&A with Wiki and Google using Wordware. In order to do that, head over right here to the prompts or the prompts calling. So expand this and then head over to the tools. And then under the tools, you can see this Q&A with Google and Wikipedia. Now in here, just input right here your question. So we have in here sample questions as well that you want. So you have in here the question that we'll have and also the research for the input. So for this one, just head over and then answer in here the question that you will be looking for. Like say something like, what is the biggest city in the world? Biggest city in the world. You can ask it anything that you want. And then click on run right here. Once you click on this run, this will post you the question and this will show you the research that it will have. And it will show the results on the Wikipedia as well as the Google search for this case. So in here, this will show you the answer of the biggest city, and the biggest city in the world is Tokyo. So you can head over and then just post any question, and then Google and Wiki will answer it using Wordware. So that's how you do a Q&A with Wiki and Google using Wordware. Hope we helped.